Hello friends. So today we will discuss about arrays in C. So what is an array? So array is a collection of multiple values of same data type and stored together under a single variable name. Suppose we want to store 10 numbers, so we can use an integer array. Same like we need to store some floating values. In that case, we can use float array. We need to store some characters, so in that case we can use character arrays. We can check with one example. Suppose we want to store 5 integer numbers. In that case we can use integer array. So the type is the syntax like data type, array name, and square bracket. Here we can put the elements. So integer array means data type is int, array name, numbers, and we can make the square bracket equal to, we can tell 2, 6, 9, 10, 20. Each element is separated by comma separated values. After that we can make semicolon. So these are the 5 elements in this array. So what are the index positions? Array index position starting from 0 only. So we need to access these numbers array, then we need to use the index position. So 0, the first index is 0, starting from 0. And the next index 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So first number means it is numbers of 0 only. We can just print. Printf. Percentage %d, we can tell numbers of 0. So that is the starting index, right? We will run this. We will get to, suppose we want to get 9. So the index is 0, 1, 2. So printf, we can tell numbers of 2. We'll run this, then we will get 9. Okay. So suppose we want to change this 9 to some other number. In that case, we can use numbers of 2 equal to 15. We'll print this, then we will get 15 because this array element changed to 15 now. So this way we can change the element. So this is the one way. Another way is we can tell the array size. So here we are telling int numbers of 5. Then we can tell numbers of 0 is equal to 1, Numbers of 2 is equal to 8. Numbers of 1 equal to 8. And numbers of 2 is equal to 11. So now we will print, we will get 11 here. So this array will contain 5 elements, but we stored 3 only. Suppose we are accessing another element like 3, then we will get some random values. See, suppose we are adding 2 more values. 3 equal to 17. 4 equal to 35. So numbers of 4 means it will print 35. Now we want to print all array elements. So in that case, we can use loop also. Here we can tell for int I equal to 0, I less than 5. With 5 element, right? Then we will tell I plus plus. Now we can tell printf percentage %d numbers. Here hardcoded value we can change to I. So it will print numbers of 0, numbers of 1, like that. Here we can put one /t also. Then we will run this code. We will get the elements 1, 8, 11, 17, and 35. Suppose we want to store some character array. So in that case, we can use your grade and square bracket. Here we can tell inside this brace, we can put a comma. We can tell b and c. We need to print the grade. Printf, we can tell percentage %c grades of 0. Then we will run, we will get grade A. We will get the grade of 0, A. A grade of 1 equal to B. So like this, we can access the array elements. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.